Let's make a hurricane party. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my lime juice. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. I'm going to put that in a shaker. And I'm going to splash a little bit, because I do that sometimes. Next, grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. I've got 2 recipes for grenadine on the channel. Link to those will be down below if you'd like to check them out. Today I'm using the Smuggler's Cove version, and I need a teaspoon. I'll be right back. Now that I have a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of grenadine. 2 teaspoons is 10 milliliters. Let's use our passion fruit syrup, 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. I do not make my own passion fruit syrup. I am using Monine. There may be betters. Use one that you like. 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of blue curacao. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And finally your rum. 1 3/4 ounces of your rum. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. Now, before I shake this, I'm going to crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. The recipe does say use crushed ice or pebble ice. I'm going to fill up the glass about 3/4 of the way. The recipe says fill it all the way up, but I know from experience that if I fill it all the way up, the drink does not fit in. So about 3/4 of the way. That'll do. Now I'm going to get some more ice because I just crushed all my ice. Ice into the shaker and give it a flash shake. Now I'm going to strain the drink into the glass. And I'm going to top it off with 1 ounce of prosecco. And I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to pour it, and I'm going to open this and hopefully don't spill everywhere. Give me a moment. And that's it, there is no garnish listed for this drink. So, oh yeah, the glass is supposed to be a Pilsner. I'm using a double old fashioned, same volume. I don't have a Pilsner. And that's it, the hurricane party. Drink with good spirits.